boys and girls, I'm going to ask you to take out your iReady book and open up to page 24, finding the main topic. You can go ahead and pause the video if you need to get out your book and find the correct page. Finding the main topic, page 24. Knowing how to figure out the main topic of a text will help you understand what you read. Everything you read has a main topic. The main topic is what the passage is mostly about. Some passages have more than one paragraph or groups of sentences. Each paragraph includes key details that tell you about the main topic. When you put all of the details together, you will know more about the topic. Read the passage and think about its main topic. So we're going to read down here, Home Sweet Home. Many early settlers in America lived in log cabins. They lived, ate, and slept in their log cabins. Log cabins were built from the trees. Trees were cut into parts to make logs. Curved notches were made at the ends of the logs. The logs were put together to make the walls of the cabin. A roof was made from rough boards cut from the logs. So here's our passage. Reread the passage and look at the picture. Now look at this chart. Add words to tell about the key details of each paragraph. Then write what you think is the main topic of the passage. So what do you think is the main topic of this passage? I think it's about log cabins used by early settlers. That's what I would fill in there. In our second box, key details from paragraph 1. Well, when I look over here at the first paragraph, I want to look at the details there. What's it telling me? It tells me that the early settlers lived, ate, and slept in log cabins. So that's telling me about the cabin. I would put that in this box here. And in our third box, it has key details from paragraph 2. So I want to come back here, look at paragraph 2. What does that tell me? That the log cabins were built from trees. The roofs were made from rough boards. The logs were put together to make walls for the cabins. You could fill those details in here. So go ahead and pause the video while you fill in your chart on the main idea and key details. When you are finished, you can unpause the video and we're going to flip over to page 26, Walking to the New World by Catherine Thomas. Long ago, ice covered much of North America. At that time, a bridge of land connected Asia and North America. People walked over this strip of dry land into Alaska. They were following herds of animals. The people settled in different places. Some slowly went south. Over time, they made different nations in the Americas. Some scientists think people came to America even earlier. They think people reached the West Coast by boat. Ancient tools have been found there. These tools might show that people arrived before there was a land bridge. But people who study the past have found not much proof of this idea. These people were the first Americans. All Native Americans are related to them. Scientists discovered they first came from Asia. They split into many groups as they settled America. They made ways of life we are still learning about today. Now, our purple box here tells us to underline some of the key details in each paragraph. So what I want you to do is go back and underline anything that you think was important in those 3 paragraphs that I read to you. So go ahead and pause the video while you do that. When we look at the chart on page 27, What is the main topic of this passage? What do you think? I think it's how people first came to America, because it's talking about how people come from different places. In paragraph 1, it tells us people came from Asia into North America on a bridge of land. What would you say in paragraph 2 were some important details? I would say that it could be that people came to America even before there was a bridge. You can stop and talk in class about the different details that you think were important.